Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you can delete games from the memory on your Nintendo Switch 2 to free up space. So what we want to do is from the homepage of our Switch, go here towards the bottom and open up your system settings. In your system settings, you want to scroll down until you find where it says data management. In your software data area, you can either do a quick delete or you can dive in a bit deeper and do manage software. But let's just say we're going to go for the quick delete. It's pretty straightforward. We can see all the different games and things that are on either our system memory or our micro SD express card. So we can just scroll through. Let's say I'd want to get rid of NBA 2K19, which is a pretty large file size at 32.6 gigabytes. So I can select that. And whatever game that you select, it's going to show you where that memory is going to be deleted from. So this game is on my micro SD express card, so it would be removed from that. Let's also say I would want to get rid of Rocket League. I check that. That's over on my system memory, and it shows exactly how much it will delete and how much free space I'll have after that. Once you have the games selected that you would like to get rid of, we can go over here on the side and click A on where it says delete. And I don't want to keep the home menu icon, so I'm going to unselect that, and then I'm going to click delete. And it should delete these rather quickly, so I'm going to click OK. And those have now been removed from my system memory as well as my micro SD express card. You can also dive into manage software for this. It's not quite as quick, but the nice thing about this is it lists our games in order of the largest file size to the smallest. So let's say you'd want to get rid of a game, you can click on it, and then you can click on where it says delete software. And again, clicking delete, and it's going to remove this one from my system memory. So clicking A on that, and it now has been removed. So if you'd like to go in one game at a time starting from the largest game file size, you can delete them this way. Not a bad option. Or again, you can just dive into quick delete and check every single game that you'd like to get rid of, and you can delete them that way. An additional thing to note that's nice is your saved game data is still going to be saved onto your Nintendo Switch 2 console, so you don't have to worry about that. Even if you delete the software, you'll still have the saved data. So if you ever re-download those games in the future, you'll still have your saved data that you can use and continue on in those respective games. So that's going to wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.